Hello students, now we are going to continue with the second part of the same lesson, that is the fourth number lesson, the enemy. Till now what we have learnt about that Dr. Sadao and his wife, they came towards that white man and they found that the white man was badly injured, and Dr. Sadao wanted to help him but he was unable because the person was an enemy. Okay, so now we are moving towards the lesson. Then they tried to find out what he was. So they wanted to search that what the person actually. He looked American. The battered cap had faint lettering US Navy. So with the help of the cap, they found that he was from a Navy of US. They conclude that he was a sailor from an American warship and the man was a prisoner of war. So he was a prisoner of war. He had escaped and was wounded in the back. So there was a wound in his back. Hannah asked Sadao if they were able to put him back into the sea. So Hannah was still insisting that they should throw him back into the sea. Sadao hesitated, but Sadao was not ready to do so. If the man had been a whole, means if he was perfect or without injury, then he could be turned over to the police without difficulty. So there was no any difficulty for him to hand over the person to the police, as he was his enemy. All Americans were his enemy, and but since he was wounded, they should not throw him back to the sea. So still he was thinking about not to hand over to the police and not to throw him back to the sea. So Hannah observed that there was only one thing left to do, that they must carry him into their house. Sadao was not sure about the reaction of the servant. So he was also thinking about what the reaction would be there from the servants. Hannah suggested that they must tell the servants that they intended to give him to the police. She said that they must do so, otherwise all of them would be in danger. So they were thinking about to carry him to the house. Together they lifted the man. He was very light. He was very light. He was very thin, weak. They carried him up the steps and into the side door of the passage. They carried him to an empty bedroom, and since the man was quite dirty, Sadao suggested that he had better to be washed. So they thought about to wash the person as he was a dirty. If she faced the water, he would wash the man. Hannah could not bear him to touch the man. She offered to tell the maid, Yumi. Sadao took the responsibility of informing others. So Hannah suggested that the things must be done by the maid Yumi. The pallor of the unconscious man's face moved him first to stoop and feel his pulse. So the man was unconscious and he wanted to feel his pulse. It was faint, but it was there. Means the pulse were faint, but still the pulse can be realized. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. The heart too was yet alive. Means that person was alive. So now observe that he would die unless operated upon. So Sadao realized that the person must be operated very soon. The man was very young, perhaps not even 25. The man had to be washed first. However, the servants refused to do so. The servants were not interested to wash the man. They did not want their master to heal the enemy. The servants were also thinking that the enemy should not be treated by the Sadao. Hannah washed the man till his upper body was quite clean. So finally, Hannah decided to help Sadao. She herself cleaned the person, means that war prisoner, and Sadao put his instruments upon a sterilized towel. Sterilized means what? Without bacteria. He began to wash the man's back carefully, and he asked Hannah to give the anesthetic if he needed it. Anesthetic means what? That with the help of which we can make the person unconscious. Okay, so that is what? Anesthesia. So Hannah choked. Hannah was not ready to do the things. She clapped her hands to her mouth and ran out of the room. He heard her retching in the garden. Retching means what? A sound of vomiting. She had never seen an operation. Means before that, she had never seen such type of a situation. Sadao proceeded swiftly. Hannah came in and Sadao asked her to saturate the cotton and hold it near his nostrils. She had to move it away a little when he breathed badly. So he instructed her that whenever he will breathe badly, just take it away. Then Sadao got busy. He felt the tip of his instrument strike against something hard. That was a bullet. So it was just near his kidney. Then with the cleanest and most precise incision, means with a very careful manner, the bullet was out. The man quivered. Quivered means what? Trembled. Okay. Then, but still he was in unconscious situation. Sadao gave him an injection and the man's pulse grew stronger. Hannah had to serve the young man herself, for none of the servant would enter the room. So no one, means no any servant was entering in the room, so she did herself only. The man grew stronger day by day. The servants decided to quit if their master kept the enemy hidden there. So the servants also decided to quit their jobs. On the seventh day, the servant left together. Hannah carried the morning food to the prisoner. On coming back, she asked Sadao why they could not see clearly what they ought to do. Means still they were in a confusing state that whether to help the person or to hand over to the police. In the afternoon, the messenger came in official uniform. So the messenger was in an official uniform, means he was from the army. He asked Dr. Sadao to come to the place at once as the old general was in pain. So the general's condition was a little bit critical. Hannah breathed a sigh of relief, and when Sadao came to say goodbye, she revealed her fear. So she told that there she is in a threatened condition. She thought that they had come to arrest him, and Sadao promised to get rid of the man for her sake. So Dr. Sadao finally decided that now he is very much sure about to hand over the person to the police. Sadao told the general about the man he had operated upon. So Sadao informed to the general that how he operated to the enemy. The general acknowledged why Sadao was indispensable to him. The general promised to send his private assassins to kill the man. Assassins means what? Assassins means what? Killer. And remove his body as well. He asked Sadao to leave the outer portion of the white man's room to the garden open while he slept. So this is how they planned to kill the war prisoner. Okay, so here we are going to stop. The remaining part we'll see in the next. Thank you.